think what we'll do, just to show you, as we have a little time here, some of the capacity of the system. We've only had one automated system running today, but we're going to go ahead and turn on the automated trading system. And what we're going to do, you notice we've been looking at this chart along with this chart, okay? And what we're now going to do is turn on the strategy so that it looks at both charts at the same time and pulls trades according to what it sees happening with these two charts. So give me just a minute as I turn that on. Okay, I just turned that on and it just jumped right into a short trade. Let me take some of the noise off of that. Looks like we're going to go back down to 67. So hold on for just a second. Okay. There it's taking another short trade. And now finally long. Now we never recommend trading in both directions. We never recommend setting up our strategies to trade in both directions, because you'll get whipsawed too much. So our expectation here is that the market will be running back up to that resistance level that we talked about. And see what I'm talking about right here. That's not a good idea to trade in both directions. So what we will do is just turn off the strategy's ability to trade short trades. We'll just set that to false. So now the only option that it has is to trade long. Now those long trades that just showed up have now disappeared only because we reset the strategy. But we did have a long trade in here at 67, looks like 67.50. We still have a support line down at 67, so we keep that in mind. But that long trade that it was pulling in there made some good sense, because you notice how in this more sensitive chart, as we dropped into 67.50, we went from magenta back to gold. That showed some nice strength in there. Would have been a good time to take a manual trade even. But we'll see if we do any more manual trades as we move about here, or automated trades. turn on the strategy's ability to keep track of the support and resistance on this chart that we're watching. So hang on for a second. Okay, when we reset here, it caused the previous colored bars to vanish so that it could restore to us where the support and resistance lines are. So this way we don't have to look back and forth at other charts. Now you can see clearly that you've got a resistance level here at 70.75 and at 72.25, and that support line was actually at 66.75. So the strategy can do a lot of things. Lots of things that we can do with this. So it'll get up there. And we'll come back when it hits it. So you're even if we had just set up the strategy to enter the market automatically, you saw the few long trades that it took in there. I think they were back at around 68.25 in that neighborhood. Now let's just go back and look. No, I'm sorry, I don't even have that there. I wiped out that data. Yeah, actually the long trades would have taken place at 67.75. 67.75 into 70.75. It's 3 points. $12 ticks. Let's save a little time here and wait until that happens, and we'll come back. Now our more sensitive chart is suggesting that we may get a little pullback here again. Notice the colors: gold, and then yellow, and then magenta. So we're losing strength as we flirt with these prices, usually an indication that the market will dip. So we'll watch this a little bit. Might give us another opportunity for a buy.